So, ano nga ba yung minimum income requirement for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa? Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain, and this is part 2 of my series Questions I Get Asked about the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. So, ayan, okay ka na. Like, now you know that you have to be fully remote work and ano yung mga parang qualifications basically sa pagiging remote worker. And then, of course, nasa part 1 yon. And then, now for part 2, ito yung most pressing, of course, for a lot, is yung minimum income requirement. So, the minimum income requirement actually is different from applying sa Spain Consulate in the Philippines and kung nag-a-apply ka directly sa Spain UHE, which is the Unidad de Grandes Empresas, which is basically, ito siya. So I'm not that good yet, pero basically, it's all gonna be done online if directly ka sa Spain mag-a-apply. But you still have to be physically there, so don't forget that. And then of course, I'll flash here yung minimum income requirement for applying in the Spain consulate. So, and then this is versus yung minimum income requirement as of July 2025 for Spain UHE. So, now that you know yung minimum income requirement, here are some of the questions. So, maraming nagtatanong if okay lang daw ba i-supplement with savings kung medyo below sila nung minimum income requirement. So, what I would say is not really, just because yung tinitignan talaga nila is nagmamatch yung contract mo versus yung COE mo versus yung kung ano yung mismong pumapasok sa bank mo, or of course as a supplement pwede mo din pakita yung invoices and payslips. So yun talaga yung main basis nila for the minimum income requirement. That's why then dito sa minimum income requirement, like I said, ang mga kailangan mong documents for this to prove it, besides the COE and contract that proves you're a remote worker, is your bank statements. So the latest 3 months before you apply would do. And then of course, yung payslips or invoices that comes with it. If hindi nag-i-issue yung company mo or yung client mo ng invoices or payslips, you can make one easily on Canva or on Google Sheets. And then, pwede mo yun ipapirma na lang sa kanila just to have, a paper trail then basically, and have more of a formality, and also to prep you na medyo mas, like formal itong freelance business mo.